You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.